Hi there, is this rice especially for those who like vegetables but don't want to see the actual vegetables in their food? Now just get all your favorite vegetables. I use bell peppers, green and red. I use carrots. I use green beans. I use scotch bonnet because I'm Nigerian. Onions, garlic, and ginger. Okay, blend all these, and we just want to have something like this. Now in your pan, you want to add your oil. You want to add that vegetable we blended and fry this for about 4 minutes. Now go ahead and add your no seasoning cubes or any other seasoning you have, rosemary, thyme, and fry for another minute. Now add your washed rice and fry this rice till it is crispy. Fry for about 5 minutes to get that effect. This particular effect. Now add your water and then add another seasoning just because we did not use meat stock. If you're using meat stock, just skip this process, okay? Now cover with foil and seal up all the edges so it can steam cook. Now when your rice is fully cooked, add any protein of your choice. I use oxtail because I love it. Now stir and you guys, your rice is ready. If you have kids that don't like to see vegetables, that are picky with their vegetables, just make this rice for them and you'll be surprised. It is so good, so yummy. See you in my next video.